was making fun of the turtles for being so slow. I will win a race even if you can run faster than me. The turtles said to the hare. Then the hare answered, I know! You are all black and white. Why don't we have a race? We will find out who is faster soon. Who will decide the course and who will reward the winner? The turtles asked. The fox is fine what did ice hill? There after all that here answered. So the fox